Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today we are creating print-ready files in Adobe InDesign by showing how to place an image and export your project in PDF format. Start by opening the File drop-down and clicking Place. Here I can browse images from my desktop and place them into the greeting card template I downloaded from the free templates on our website. Once the image is on your card and we've added text, you'll want to visit the Layers and turn off the guide. Then it's time to export. Revisit the File menu and choose Export. Here we can pick where on the desktop it gets saved to. Next, the PDF high quality print settings window will pop up. The main thing we want to enable is our document bleed settings. You want to check the box Use Document Bleed Settings to ensure your PDF file has the correct bleed for printing. Click Export and your project will be in the folder you selected on your desktop. And that is how you place and export a project from InDesign. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and we'll swoop in to help you out. Thanks for watching.
Get online, pick a design.